Hello, I'm Zorab and this is Byther Farm, and today I'm going to get some parsnips for our lunch. So this is the bed designated for parsnips, and there are some absolute beauties growing in here. I've also got quite a lot growing in the path and some that have just seeded themselves in that direction. But the one I want to try and get at seeded itself over there, and it's a monster. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel for gardening, poultry keeping and food forest ideas. And here it is. It is about 5 to 6 inches across the top, and I suspect it's fairly big all the way down. Now, normally I would do the no-dig practice of pushing down on a vegetable to release its roots and before I lift it up. But with this one I'm going to dig a little bit just to have a look and see what's going on under there. Now I suspect that this is probably really woody and not necessarily delightful for eating, but I've been watching this parsnip growing for the last year, thinking one day I will get that out of the ground, and today may be the day. There's another one here. Okay, so the ground is actually bending my trowel. I want to share with you the size of this thing. It is huge, so you can get some idea. There's my trowel next to it. This is a pretty big parsnip. I think if I'm going to get it out, I will try and take that one out first. Okay, so that's the baby. That's a fair old size. I think that will do us for a meal very easily. But I am feeling a bit determined about getting this other one out of the ground if I can. So I'm digging around it just to loosen the soil around it. Oh, and it looks like it's coming. Hooray. I can see I've nicked it a little bit with a fork, which is a shame. But I don't even know which angle to go at it from. So here it is. No, actually that's the baby one. Here it is. A ridiculously huge parsnip. It's probably quite woody. We're still going to eat it. I'm going to give it a wash. I'll take it in and weigh it. And this is going with some turkey for our lunch. I might just grab a couple of leeks so that we've got something green and leafy. Alternatively, I am sitting right by the purple sprouting broccoli, and I could grab a few little pieces of that to go with our lunch. And so wherever you are in the world and whatever you've got planned for today, I hope it's a good one, and I also hope that you'll join me again next time.